Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to perform a factory reset through the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down, locate and open General Management, and here you will notice reset options. Finally, just click on Factory Data Reset, and if you truly want to reset all data from your device's internal storage like Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider app and content, and also SD card description, just click on Reset here. And then confirm that you truly want to perform it. You just have to remember that this operation cannot be undone, so if you will delete everything, it cannot be recovered. So if you truly want to perform the factory data reset, just click on Delete All. And now wait a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes until it's done. And that's it, now you can set up your phone as a new one. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily perform factory data reset. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.